Welcome to Discovering India, Unity in Diversity. India is a land of incredible diversity, unlike any other country in the world. Imagine a giant rainbow. India is just like it, full of languages, festivals, traditions, and cultures. From the majestic mountains to the bustling cities, India is truly vibrant and diverse. Our national holidays are a time to celebrate India's freedom and the foundation of our constitution. Every year on August 15th, we celebrate Independence Day, marking the day in 1947 when India became free from British rule. Republic Day, on January 26th, celebrates the adoption of India's constitution in 1950, ensuring justice for all. The Republic Day Parade showcases India's strength, culture, and unity, with proud soldiers, cultural performances, and colorful state tableau. Next, let's explore the powerful symbols that define our national identity. Our national flag, the Tiranga, has saffron for courage, white for peace, green for growth, and the Ashoka Chakra for duty and righteousness. The national emblem with 4 lions symbolizes power and pride. The message below it, Satyameva Jayate, means truth always wins. Look closely at a currency note. It tells a story, showing Mahatma Gandhi, famous monuments, and different languages, reflecting India's heritage. India's culture is a tapestry woven with countless traditions and forms of expression. India is home to many languages like Hindi, Tamil, and Bengali. We celebrate this rich linguistic diversity without a single national language. Despite differences in language, clothes, and food, we share common values and respect each other. This is called unity in diversity. Each region boasts unique traditions, from headgear and storytelling dance forms like Bharatanatyam to musical instruments like the tabla. India blends ancient knowledge with modern advancements. Traditional knowledge guides us to protect nature through practices like rainwater storage systems and organic farming. Modern India combines science with tradition. While we develop new technologies, traditional systems like yoga and Ayurveda are globally valued. India's greatest strength lies in its diversity and unity. We must respect our culture, protect our environment, and stay united. Together, we can make our country stronger and brighter. Thank you for discovering India with us.